Make sure you stay tuned till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you have one of those, you're trying to find the fuse for the central locking, guys, power lock. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, why it's super important to test fuses, and common mistakes people make when replacing fuses that can cost you thousands of dollars. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. Most people, guys, will open the hood and they will automatically try to find the fuse in the fuse box that's next to the engine, under the hood here in the engine bay, but that fuse is not here. First, before we talk about the central locking fuse, guys, if you have problems where you replace the fuse and it's still central locking doesn't work, sometimes the body control module, if there was a short or something in the system, bad fuse, it can deactivate that function for practically its own safety, and you may need to use a computer to reset it. Not always, but we've seen it happen on some cars. So a scanner like that, it's amazing, guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of, and it can access every computer system. It can read codes, delete codes. You can see like that, and some of these new cars have more than 50 computers. So if that fuse is not here, where it is, let's go to the trunk and we'll show you. So you open the trunk on your Dodge Charger, you lift the cover for the spare tire, you come right here, and that's your car battery, right here. Now for some fuses it's recommended to disconnect the car battery before you proceed, when you remove a fuse, or before you remove a fuse or a relay. That way you can avoid damaging the electrical system. And on these new cars, it matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can actually, guys, damage electronics, modules, computers. And how we know that? We actually did that on a Mercedes, and it cost us $2,000 to replace a computer because we burn it that way. So check out, there is a video which battery terminal to disconnect first. Very important video. This is the fuse box right here. So you press right here and you pull it up. Perfect. Now, where is the central locking fuse, guys, that we have now? Also known as power locks. Those are the fuses. You have a couple different kinds of fuses. Very important to always test your fuses. Why? Because sometimes you cannot clearly see a fuse is burnt. It looks perfectly fine. You put it back in. You spend time. You spend money to fix your central locking problem, when all you have to do is test the fuse, find out it's bad, and replace it. So we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Check out the link in the description of the video below. The fuse that we need to check, starting from the very left to right. Even if you have a missing one, you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fuse from left to right, but it's actually known as fuse number F09. So it's a 40 fuse. We grab it like that. We pull it out. That's the power locks fuse, guys. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. And then just go ahead and close your box as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.